Welcome to a try not to laugh, I guess. Today, we're going to be reacting to the best dog videos, possibly on the internet. Oh, not the glass table. Could you imagine being the guy that ran with that dog and being the guy that kind of takes all responsibility? No, my hair's like this. But yeah, imagine. That would be crazy.
Stella, you want to go bang?
Dude, that dog is unhinged. Imagine just being like bang and it just lie dead on the ground. That would be crazy. Wait, actually, hang on. Let me go grab my dog. I'll react to it with that dog.
Stella, you want to go bang?
This dog is really not into it. Oh, no, no. Imagine. Wait, what? I didn't even realize that. All of the whole wall came down. Surprised the whole house didn't. That's crazy. Abby. Here. At least act a little more interested. Oh, my God. There you go.
This is Drew.
Oh, not Hank, bro. Hank coming in hot over here. Alright, we're gonna have to lose the dog. Let me try a different dog. There we go. Alright, we got Millie this time.
Manic Husky needed to get a shot.
I kind of feel bad for the dog, but then again, it has to be done. Right, Millie? Right, Mills? Yeah. Imagine being the UPS driver and knowing that you were the reason as to why that door broke.
Bark at your dog.
Oh, I've seen this.
Kai. Come.
Dude, that would be so messed up just having a dog be like, no, no. Be like Millie. Right, Mills? Bow. Bow. Bow.
Hey, boy. What's up?
He was like, hey. What's good? That would be insane. Millie. Do it. Do it. Do it. Twerk. Twerk. No.
Quincy, we are going on a road trip. Woo! Yes, absolutely.
I think that Abby could participate in. I feel like she would be the one that would be like, whoa!
Well, I come home and I pet my dog. You see, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. It releases a hormone called oxytocin, which reduces stress.
I couldn't record anything like that without busting up laughing from just how ironic it is that would be happening.
So I can see if there's any funny bits.
Okay. Okay. I have had the time, especially with Millie, because she's so small and light. She's max 5 pounds, but back when she was like 3 pounds maybe, super tiny, I would grab the toy and she would like grab it and I'd slowly lift her up, and I didn't hurt her because she's only this far off the ground, but it's just kind of funny to watch her like dangle. Ooh. Dude, that is funny. Dude, the like noise from the camera though. Hang on. Dude, it sounds like an explosion. Well, guys, that's it for best dogs on the internet. So leave a like, subscribe, click notification bell to get notified of new videos I upload posted. And goodbye. Say goodbye, Abby. Wave. Bye-bye.